Alright, so put the panel into the truck. That's where it's going to go. That's what it's going to look like. I place a blue tape here. Somewhere here is where the inner fender goes, and I might have to cut that. Not sure yet. I'll wait until I put the fender on. It's just a rough location. This is what it's going to look like. I got this side just kind of temporary in there. You can see I put the covering over the wiring. I don't know if you can see it down here, just to see how it kind of fits. So the wiring I'm going to have come up underneath here, so you don't really see it. This side will do the same thing once I get there. So everything's about where I need it to be. I know it looks like a lot over here, but that's what you need to run an LS engine. You got to have the computer, got to have the fuses and everything. It's got its own harness, so I think it'll look good. We'll see when I get done, but it's getting there. That's the update. Have a great day. Bye.